morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, finally we have here our Meteor Smartwatch, the Zeblaze Meteor Smartwatch, and this time, okay, we're going to show you on how to install or upload the watch faces as well as the custom watch faces for the Meteor Smartwatch. Okay, our previous videos was all about the support app for the Zeblaze Meteor, the unboxing, and checking on its menus and features. This time we're going to have a more in-depth look on the support app, the QWatch Pro, and of course checking the watch faces for the smartwatch, okay, as well as the custom watch faces. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, the Zeblaze Meteor, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's open the support app and check, okay, the QR code. Okay, so we have here the app, the QWatch Pro. Open the app. Okay, so I did not register my account, but anyway, still the connection is very stable. When I open the app, of course the Bluetooth is already activated. It automatically connected the smartwatch. Okay, I don't have to select it manually. It automatically search for the wearable and bind it with the app. Okay, so we have here, okay, going back to the features, we have call alert or call notifications. We have message notifications, smart reminder. You can pick some of the options here. Okay, we have sedentary, drink water reminder, and alarm. Okay, you can set several alarms here. Okay, we also have do not disturb mode. Okay, we have here dynamic, okay, tracking of your vitals such as heart rate, SpO2, blood detection, or blood pressure monitoring. We also have anti-lost here, take pictures, weather format, unit system. You can also change it to 24-hour to from 12-hour to 24-hour time format. Okay, so in the more settings we have, okay, you can increase it to 10 seconds, device on screen time, reboot, and factory reset of the smartwatch. So we have here on the bottom part, we have a specific, okay, page for watch faces. So we have, okay, several watch faces here. Seems like it's all for free to download and synchronize with your smartwatch. So here are the 4 or the 6 preloaded watch faces to your Zeblaze Meteor. And if you want to download, we have at least several here. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have, okay, more than 50 I think here watch faces. So let's pick and let's check. So we have here the default watch face. So let's try to pick a different watch face. Maybe I'll pick the analog watch face. So we have here the analog watch face here. So let's try if we can download it. Okay, support adding up to 6 watch faces. So meaning we have to remove some of the watch faces here, I think. Okay, let's try. Okay, so we remove the watch face here, and let's add here from the list, okay, of the downloadable watch faces. Let's try this one. Okay, so it's adding it to the list of preloaded watch faces. Okay, very good animation here. Okay, as you can see here, it is added automatically to our smartwatch. Okay, and it is already here listed in the list of watch faces. Again, let me show it to you. So before you can add to your smartwatch, okay, before you can add a watch face to your smartwatch, you have to remove first some of the watch faces here. Okay, so I will remove this one. Let us say I will remove this one. Okay, so, and after moving, so as you can see here, we'll have a space for the watch faces, at least one watch face. So you can add a new one. Okay, so let's pick, let me pick this astronaut. No. Okay, it's a boring watch face, although it's very popular. For me, I don't, it's okay. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, it's added automatically to our smartwatch. Very good watch face for the Halloween. Okay, very timely. How about for the wallpaper? So let's check for the custom watch face here. So you can add your own background. Okay, so we have here the camera. Let's tap on this one. Let's check. So you have the option to take picture, okay, with your camera, phone camera, or select from the album. Okay, we'll select from the album. Okay, so let's see. I want this one. A rotten mango. Crop. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a preview of the watch face. So let's change font color. Okay, let's pick this one. Oh no, I want it more darker. Okay, that's it. Calorie. So it is showing the calorie. Weather. We have the weather. Oh, you can only pick one here. So let's pick these steps instead of the weather. Okay, for a change, let's pick the weather. Okay, then tap on save. Let's see if it will be uploaded to our smartwatch. We have here a progress bar. Okay, nice, very good, very fast. Okay, I like it. Okay, so that's the process on how to install or download the watch face from the dial market, going to your Zeblaze Meteor Smartwatch, and of course a custom watch face. Okay, using the photos from your phone's storage, okay, photo storage, or you can take a picture and of course set it as a wallpaper for your smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, very successful, very fast, with some customization here. We don't have any issues at all in changing the watch face. Okay, so far we find it very easy, okay, to install the watch face as well as the custom watch face for our Zeblaze, okay, Meteor Smartwatch. I'm impressed with the QWatch Pro App, although it's a very new app, but still, as you can see, very responsive, very stable, and we did not have any issues at all in installing the watch face for our smartwatch, whether it's downloadable watch faces or a custom watch face. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Please check our previous video, the unboxing, checking the menus and features, as well as the installation of the QWatch Pro app for the Zeblaze smartwatch. Okay, if you have other smartwatches using QWatch Pro, you can also watch that video to have a clue on how, or tips on how to install the support app properly and binding it to your smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.